I'm in Youngstown, Ohio, and guess what? That's my Airbnb. It's a great studio right there at the corner. You gotta check it out. This is actually an old school. They used to teach class here and everything. So I think the room that I'm staying in used to be like a large classroom. Keypad entry gets you inside to your private oasis. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Youngstown, home of the Penguins.
What I'm doing is I'm staying here in Unit E, which, by the way, is quite large. Oh, wow. Huge. Supersized. Yeah. Who's that over there?
Hi. Welcome to my room.
Show us around. This is Joel's room.
Love you, Lily Boo.
Dude, this is cool.
Like a jazz. Yeah, that's gonna be my favorite chair.
Yeah, dude. Nice.
That's like what I would normally sleep in.
I know.
Such high ceilings.
Ah, wow. Really comfortable bed. 4 pillows, a couple extra ones on the side. Really nice. Pretty sure it's memory foam. It'll remember me later. Cool.
Hey, help me get up.
What's that?
Help me get up.
You can't get up? Wow, you got stuck. Sure, I'll be right over.
It's not as bad as it looks.
It's not as bad as it looks, huh? Oh, God.
Okay.
So, what have we learned from this? Not sitting on that again, are we? I love the windows, though.
I do. I like the high ceilings because you can't really tell how tall it is until you see something here.
Oh, yeah.
What's that, like 20 feet up there?
So, our teacher here, Mr. Joel, is welcoming me, Mr. Silverman. Wow, that's impressive.
Oh, ready to sit down. Oh, this is actually
Nice.
very formal. I like this. Oh, it's...
We're gonna go hit the streets of Youngstown, Ohio, and see what's going on downtown. Avalon downtown has a Pepperoni Roll in Youngstown, Ohio.
One of the best ones I've ever had.
Yeah.
One of the best ones I've ever had.
It's the best one Joel's ever had.
One of the best ones. One of them.
Here at West Virginia, one of the best he's ever had. What? The best he's ever had.
How about you? Pretty
It's
good?
way better than a calzone.
Well,
It's straight up cheese, lots of pepperoni.
the good stuff.
It's like, yeah.
It's the good stuff, though.
Oh, hell yeah. It's Joel's favorite.
I did not say that. I did not say that.
Joel's favorite.
It's one of my favorites. It's really good.
I mean, look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's really good. Then it came to me. This guy was one of the space aliens. That's why he hadn't felt the bullet. So this loft does not have a TV, but it does have Wi-Fi, so hopefully you were smart enough to bring like a tablet or your cell phone. But if you didn't, there's plenty of books. Anyway folks, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up.
Remember, fans, to always have fun!
You're not gonna break it.